Hello everyone, welcome to this instructional video on building a simple C++ command line calculator. In this tutorial, we'll create a basic calculator that can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on two numbers. So let's get started. First, open your favorite C++ code editor such as Visual Studio, CodeBlocks, or any text editor, or a random compiler name C++. You can search it online and you can find it. There's so many compilers out there. If not, you have here I'm using Visual Studio for my need. So basically, this is what I wrote for the code. Here, first step is to create a new source file named calculator.cpp. Now, we wrote the code already, so I'm gonna discuss it shortly. So if you're new to C++, don't worry, I'm gonna break this code down step by step. Here's the whole complete code, starting from here, ending here. Okay, and now let's discuss the code. We start by including the necessary header file, which is named iOS stream. So this is used for input and output operations in C++. Then we define the main function, which is the entry point of our program. So next we declare the variables operation, which is a character type, and a num1, num2 result as a double type. And now we write uh, basically we display a welcome message and prompt the user to enter a desired operation. Let's say here plus, minus, multiplication, and division, and we store it in the variable operation. And then we ask the user to enter the first number and store it in num1, and same goes with the second one, the second number, and store it in num2. After that, we ask the user to input the two numbers on which the selected operation will be performed. We use switch statement to determine the selected operation and perform the corresponding calculation. So here, the calculation performed, for example, the case plus a result will be stored num1, num2, num1 plus num2, and it's stored in the result. Same goes with subtraction, multiplication, and division. And here we put an error message cannot divide by 0. So the number cannot be divided by 0, as you know, it's simple math. And also we put as an invalid operation if it's not a number. So now let's run this code. Let's see how it works. Let's run this calculator, I would say. So build solution, it's already built, up to date, start without debugging. So always click start without debugging to get the output. And now let's enter plus, enter, let's see, two numbers, 10, 20. The result is 30. So addition of two numbers, it's 30. And now let's do it with another one. Let's say subtraction. So I'm gonna test all four just to be safe, because sometimes it doesn't work, so we have to be careful in these situations. Be like, it's working, it's not working, you have to make sure, right? So 10 minus 5 is 5, perfect. Let's do multiplication. Here it's multiplication now. 10 multiplied by 5, it's 50, perfect. Let's do division because it's a double data type used here for the number. So let's see, 10.0, oh wait, division 10.0, 5.0, 2 is the answer, perfect. So yeah, it works perfectly fine. So that's it, building our simple C++ command line calculator. You can further enhance this calculator by adding more operations or error handling. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in learning the basics of C++ programming. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, Feel free to ask in the comments. Happy coding, you all.